Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today. Today on Saturday, on December the 14th, we have one mighty Sudoku, a medium Sudoku. So let's get started with this one. Yes, A4 in this column. A4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only two places for 4 is here or there. But I see here already a 4, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. A 6 in this row. A 6 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for 6 should be here. In this row, 2 missing numbers. The numbers are 9 and 3. I see here 9, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then the 3 yes, the 1 in the first column, the 1 in the third column. So in the second column, the only two places for a 1 is here or there. But I see here already a 1. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So in the row between below, the only place for a 4 should be here. Then in this big square, one of the missing numbers is a 2. I see here a 2, so no 2 in these two boxes. I see there a 2, so no 2 in this box. Only place for the 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the first column, so in the second column, only place for the 2 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for a 4 should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the 7 and the 9 are missing. I see here a 9. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 7. I see there a 7, so no 7. In these two boxes, I see there a 7, so no 7. In this box, only place for the 7 should be here. The missing numbers are, for this big square, 1, 5 and 3. I see there are 5, so no 5 in these two boxes. Only place for the 5 should be here. Here we have a pair, 1 and 3, 1 and 3. That means in these two boxes of this row, 1 and 3, these should be 8 and 2. I see here an 8, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Here we have 2 missing numbers of this big square. For the numbers 1 and 9, we have a 1 there, so no 1 here. 1 should be there, 9 goes there. Then Four. Uh, these, no. 7, 2, 9, yes. 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so in the middle column, the only two places for 9 is here or there, but I see here 9, so no 9 there, 9 should be here. Then, these three numbers for this big square, the missing numbers here are 1, 2, 3, 8, and 5. 3, 8, and 5. I see here 8 and 5. So one number is left, the 3. So these must be a pair, 8 and 5, 8 and 5. 8, 5. One, 2, 3, 4. This second column, the 4 is missing. 5, the 6 is missing. 4, 6, and 9. 4, 6, and 9. 4, 6, and 9. I cannot fill this yet. Here, these three numbers are 3, 5, and 8. 3, 5, and 8. Cannot fill this yet. 7, 5. Well. Alright. The 2 in this column, the 2 in the middle column. So in this column, the only two places for 2 is here or there. But I see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places for 2 is here or there. But I see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in this column, the only 3 places for 2 is here, here, or there. But I see here 2, no 2 there. I see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for 7 should be here. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in this column, the only place for the 7 should be here. 2 missing numbers in this column. The numbers are 3 and 6. I see here 3. So no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 1 missing number in this big square is for number 5. Then 3. 5 and 8. 8. 1. And 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So in this row, the only two places for 6 is here or there. But I see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. Two missing numbers in this column for the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing and 8 is missing. I cannot fill this yet. 5 and 8. I need more information. So these two numbers of this big square, 5 and 8. No, I cannot. The 5. I cannot fill the 5 here, so the 5 must be here. And the 8 goes there. One missing number here in this row is number 1. One missing number in the middle row for number 8. 3 and 5, 3 and 5, 3 and 1, 3 and 1. I cannot fill this yet. 3 and 1, 3 and 5. These two. 8 and no. I have an 8. 5 and 3. 5 and 3. 5 and 3. Here we have 8 and 7. 8 and 7. The 7 we have there. No 7 here. 7 goes there and the 8 goes here. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 3 places for a 7 is here, here or there. But I have a 7 there, so no 7 here. I have a 7 there, so no 7 there. Only place for the 7 should be here. These 3 numbers. 4, 3 and 8. 4, 3 and 8. I cannot fill this yet. 4, 3 and 8. Need to wait. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for an 8 is here or there. But I have an 8 there. So no 8 here. 8 should be here. 1 digit left for the last column, digit 5. In this big square, one of the missing number is a 5. I see here 5, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. I see there 5, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. 1 box is left for the 5, that is this one. 2 numbers left for this big square, the 5 and the 3. Now we have a 5 there, so no 5 here. 5 should be there, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left for this big square, for the numbers 3 and 1. Now we have a 3, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 missing number in this column for number 1. 1 missing number in this column for number 6. Yes, 6. 2 missing numbers here. 2 missing numbers in this column for the numbers 5 and 3. Now we have a 5 there, so no 5 here. 5 must be here, and the 3 goes there. The 3. Okay, so now we have 3 missing numbers in this big square. The 4, the 9 and the 6, the 4 and the 9 and the 6. I cannot fill this yet. These three numbers, the 4, the 8, I can fill the 8 because we have an 8 there, so no 8 here. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. Only place for the 8 should be here. The other two numbers are 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, so no 4 here. 4 must be here, and 3 goes there. Two missing numbers in the first row, the numbers 3 and 9. We have a 3 here, so no 3 here. 3 should be there, and the 9 goes there. Two missing numbers in this big square. For the numbers 9 and 6, we have a 9 there. So no 9 here, 9 should be there, and the 6 goes there. Two missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 6 and 4. We have a 6 there, so no 6 here. 6 should be there, and the 4 goes there. So we finish this in 16 minutes. Alright, people, have fun with this Medium Sudoku. You can download the PDF file. If you like it, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also subscribe this channel. I will see you on Monday. So have a great weekend, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.